From the previous weeks, we have learned about permutations and combinations and the different formulas that are associated with each. We also learned how to differentiate permutation from combination. Today, we are going to solve some problems concerning permutations and combinations. I am Igmedio F. Tamesis, a teacher from the Ordeta City National High School. So let's start. So we have to remember that permutation is an arrangement of things in a particular order, meaning ABC is different from BCA. We have the different formulas for permutation. We have for linear permutation, circular permutation, and distinguishable permutation. Combination is an arrangement of things in which order is not important, meaning ABC is the same as BCA. We have the formula for combination. Now, let us have some examples. For activity 1, flex.brain, we have a combination lock that will open with the right choice of 3 numbers, meaning you have 1 to 10, that is inclusive. So you are going to select from 1 to 10. So how many different lock combinations are possible? Assuming no number is repeated. Now, since it is a combination lock, you must be thinking it is combination, but it is actually a permutation for a problem. Where n is equal to 10, r is equal to 3, since 3 numbers are to be selected. So we just substitute that in our formula, and using long method or calculator method, we have the number of permutation to be equal to 720 ways. Is there another way to solve this? Of course there is. So for the first choices, how many choices do you have? You have 10. For the second number, how many choices do you have? You have 9. Since you have already chosen one. So for the third choice, you have 8. Oh, I made a mistake there. So it should be third number. So you just multiply all these 3. You have 720 ways. Problem number 2. If there are 6 points in a plane, where in no 3 of the points are collinear, how many polygons can be drawn? What do you mean by collinear? It means that they are not in the same line. So hindi sila magkakalinya, so pwede na kayong gumawa ng polygon. Anyway, ano ito? Permutation or combination? This is a combination problem. So, we know that a polygon is a closed figure. So, yung pinaka minimum na number of sides na pwede mong gamitin would be 3. So, pag 3 sides, it is a triangle. Pag 4 sides, quadrilateral. Kapag 5 sides, it is a pentagon. And then, since maximum 6 points tayo, hanggang 6 sides, which is a hexagon. So, kunin natin yung combination ng 3 sides, combination ng 4 sides, combination ng 5 sides, combination ng 6 sides. So, we just compute. So, we just add them. Ano? So, sa 3 sides, there are 20 possible. Sa 4 sides, we have 15 possible. 5 sides, 6 possible polygons. 6 sides, only 1. So, you just add them. You have a total of 42 polygons. Next problem. Activity 2. In how many ways can a student choose 5 questions to answer in a 10-question exam? This is a combinations problem, so for the reason that kahit alin ang mauna doon sa 10 questions, pwede. Ano? So, you have 10 items, pipili ka ng 5. So, you just know that it is a combination kasi walang order. We have the substitution to the formula of combinations. We have an answer of 252 ways. Now, problem number 2. A volleyball tournament consisting of 10 teams agreed to hold elimination games, the format of which is single round robin. How many games will be played in the elimination round? So, you have 10 teams. Ilan ba yung maglalaro bawat game? So, 2. Ano? So, this is a combination problem. So, we only have to substitute it to our combination formula, and we have the number of games played. Meron tayong tinatawag na ramification of games. Paano ba gumawa ng schedule dito? So, this is actually applied in sports, specifically in the subject MAPE. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung paggawa ng ramification of games. And then, titingnan natin kung magkakaparehas ba yung number of games. So, sa first round, we have this, second round, third round, fourth round, fifth round, sixth round, seventh round, 8 rounds, 9 rounds. Mapapansin nyo, kung bibilangin nyo, bawat team ay merong 9 games played. So, itototal mo lahat yan, yung schedule na yan, ang kanyang total, 45 games. Okay? So, we have activity 3. Assuming you have a committee of 5 members, to be chosen from 10 boys and 11 girls, how many committees can be formed if is to be composed of the following? Letter A, all are boys. So, N is 10, kasi nga 10 boys sila, and you have 5 members. We substitute that, we have 252 ways of determining the members of the committee. What if there must be 3 boys, meaning exactly 3 boys? So, from the 10 boys, we are going to choose only 3. Since there are 5 members, for the girls, kung saan 11 sila lahat, we are going to choose only 2. Okay? So, we have here the combination for the boys, and then we have the combination for the girls, and then we multiply. Okay? So we have 6,600 ways of determining members if there must be 3 boys and 2 girls. Find the arrangement of the letters of the word silver given the following condition. It is taken 4 at a time, meaning N is 6 because there are 6 letters in the word silver, and you are going to take it 4 at a time. So we just substitute it in our formula. Oh, by the way, this is permutation. So substituting it in the combination for permutation formula, there are 360 ways. Another way of solving this one is the choice of the first letter multiplied by the choice of the second letter multiplied by the third multiplied by the fourth letter. Okay? So ilan ba yung pwede mong pamilian sa first letter? You have 6. Ilan yung pwede mong pamilian sa second letter? 5. Sa third letter? 4. Sa fourth letter, you have 3. Then you just multiply them. you have the same total, 360 ways. So before I end my discussion, think about this one. Math may not teach us how to add love or how to subtract hate, but it gives us hope that for every problem there is a solution. Thank you. So stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Maraming salamat po.